Do you use multiple LibreWolf profiles and want to open a specific one with a single click? Instead of launching LibreWolf first and selecting a profile every time, you can create a desktop shortcut that opens directly into the profile you want. In this tutorial, I'll show you how. To get started, open LibreWolf and click the application menu in the top right corner represented by the three horizontal lines. Near the top of the menu, click the Profile section. Depending on your setup, this will either say Profiles or display the name of your current profile. Here you'll see all of your existing profiles. If you haven't created multiple profiles yet, you can do so by clicking New Profile and following the setup process. After this, click Manage Profiles. To create a desktop shortcut, locate the profile you want to use and click Edit Profile. From the menu, select Create Desktop Shortcut. LibreWolf will immediately create a shortcut on your desktop that is linked to that specific profile. Now, whenever you double-click that shortcut, LibreWolf will open directly with the selected profile, saving you the extra step of choosing it from the Profile Manager. If you ever delete a profile, remember that its desktop shortcut will no longer work, so you can simply remove the shortcut or create a new one for another profile. That's all it takes to make a desktop shortcut for a LibreWolf profile. If this tutorial helped, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more LibreWolf tutorials, browser tips, privacy features, and customization guides.